As the friends continued their journey through the labyrinth, they encountered a lush grove where the trees rustled mysteriously. The map hinted at this location and suggested that they needed to listen to the leaves. The friends stood beneath a massive banyan tree, the leaves above them whispering in the breeze. Arjun, listen carefully. The leaf seems to carry a message. It's like nature itself is guiding us. The message is in Sanskrit. It says, "Look within for answers." That's beautiful. Our journey is teaching us to trust our instincts. With newfound insights, the friends pressed on, guided by the wisdom of the leaves. Their path led them to a clearing with 4 ancient shrines, each dedicated to one of the elements: earth, water, fire, and air. The map indicated that they needed to pay homage to these elements to proceed. Arjun, this is incredible. The elements are fundamental to life. We need to show our respect for them. Arav approaching the earth shrine. I'll offer a small gift to the earth. Meera touching the water shrine. And I'll offer water as a symbol of our gratitude. Together they made offerings to each shrine and felt a sense of harmony with the elements.